I have LG G4 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the apps icon. Here you need to choose the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose About Phone. As you can see, it's located under General tab, of course. Tap About Phone, then select here the software info. Here you've got the build number, so let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back twice. And here under Backup and Reset, you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Tap OK to the following warning, and here you can use all developer options. You can, for example, enable OEM unlocking, tap Enable. You can enable USB debugging, tap OK if you would like to, and you can use other developer features, such as, for example, select mock location app. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.